various different ways and techniques you can start. Just to explain a little bit, I taught myself how to lucid dream in 1975, so about 5 or 6 years before the scientific evidence came out. And the technique I used, I was reading a book by Carlos Castaneda, and his shamanic teacher, Don Juan, said he could find his hands in the dream state and realize he was dreaming. But there really wasn't a technique, and so I just invented my own, and this is what I did. Each night before I'd go to sleep, I just look at the palm of my hands while mentally telling myself in my mind over and over, tonight in my dreams, I'll see my hands and realize I'm dreaming. Tonight in my dreams, I'll see my hands and realize I'm dreaming. And I would just say that over and over, because what I was doing was using the sight of my hands as kind of a stimulus to make me realize, oh, this is a dream. Anyway, I do it for 5 minutes, fall asleep. On the third night of doing this practice, I was walking through my high school hallway, and all of a sudden, just like they're spring-loaded, my hands popped right in front of my face, and I thought, oh crap, this is my hands. This is a dream. And it was so incredible. I had the most incredible lucid dream. And then after that, when I might be climbing a ladder, I'd see my hands and realize, oh, this is a dream. Or I might be opening a door and see my hands, and I'd realize, oh, this is a dream. But I made the sight of my hands the stimulus that would kickstart my mind and make me think, oh, this is a dream. So that's how I started out. But if you don't care for that, you can do something just this simple. And this is what the old timers used to do back before we got to all these new techniques. They would just use the power of suggestion. So before they'd go to sleep, they'd just tell themselves, tonight in my dreams, I'll be more critically aware. And when I experience something strange, I'll realize this must be a dream. So tonight in my dreams, I'll be more critically aware. And when I experience something strange, I'll realize this is a dream. Because that's what we lack in most of our dreams. You know, we'll be driving a car, then we're on a motorcycle, then we're on a bike, then we're on a skateboard, and we just kind of accept whatever goes along. We lose kind of all sense of critical awareness. And so when you tell yourself before sleep, hey, tonight I'm going to be more critically aware. And when I experience something strange, I'm going to realize this has to be a dream. So back in the day, you know, back in the 1980s when lucid dreaming became pretty hot, most of the people became lucidly aware just by using the power of suggestion. That's how they approached it. But nowadays, there's a lot more.